Ke Sorkar jela lengbau menteri rangba ke jela haka khat santarik urisau araja arpusan kelapentip bagladap ban pelat ya kemang tingka ke banyop kendai poin san Klur tingka syaka Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council GHADC kenang bikin la ban Siew no ya ke Tulop ke basak khat Bnai syaki Nongtrei jongka. Haba pentip ya kini sikilat patai kubor menteri rangba ke jela ulaong bakat wei Klur ke Pisa ke basak ke jongki hak Sorkar bat ke basak pat kata hendrupu pra poin san Klur kedai kum ke jing Siew lupa ke Sorkar ke ai syaki bat kum ta ya kini ke Pisa lapen poi syaka escrow account jongka council.
We have also cleared an amount of 79.5 crores to the Kyrwoh Hills Autonomous District Council today. Out of which about 11 crores is their dues, which is there right now with us, and the rest of the 68.5 crores is an advance we're giving towards their share of royalty from the future. And so 79.5 crores has been sanctioned and money has been released to the escrow account. As you all know, an escrow account is a fancy name, but it's an account which is in a way meant to be very, very particular for the salary disbursement, and an account which will be obviously, as I said, monitored in a manner so that the funds are used only for the salary purpose. So this has been done, and with this amount, the district council now will be in a position to release the 12 months backlog for their employees. So the other ADCs have not come out with the report to us yet, and we will work with the ADCs. I want to make it very clear, as I said, the decision is very, very simple and very clear that this is not an additional amount that we're giving to them. This is an amount that is going from their own share. We are adjusting in the future the advance that we're giving to them. So this is their money. This is from their share, which we're releasing in advance. And the only condition that we have put is that we want a principal secretary to be there to monitor this finance so that it is not misused or diverted for any other purpose but for salaries. And that's where the escrow account has been opened, which will be meant and dealt by the district council. Nobody is going to run this account except the district council and the officials there, and service rules should come into place, and revenue collection should go up. So we are hoping that when all of this falls into place, we will see some kind of a financial stability. And this offer and this discussion is on even with the Genti Hills and the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council. But as I said, we are not here to force anyone. We are here to work together and to support and to help them in any way possible. If the councils agree, it's only then will we find a way to work together and to move forward.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.